welcome back to KIKOMOON. I know I haven't filmed a DIY in a while, but stay tuned because I will be working on a DIY project, film it and upload it as soon as possible. I haven't uploaded a DIY because I don't want my whole channel to be like only centered around DIY projects. I do love to film lookbooks and all that. Also, I'm not very satisfied most of the time of my projects or how they turned out, so most of the time I just don't upload them. So today I have filmed for you guys a very short and small YESSTYLE haul. And surprisingly, this is my first YESSTYLE review, but I have been shopping at YESSTYLE for more than a year and a half now because it's probably one of the only Asian style clothing shopping website that ships to my country. So if you're a regular at YESSTYLE, you must know that a lot of their products don't have any reviews. So I'm gonna start off with this top. It is a casual long sleeve polo shirt, and honestly I would give it 5 stars. It is about 16 Canadian dollars, which is really cheap, and surprisingly this is not see-through, and this is a white polo and it is very comfortable, and guys, it fits me so well and I love the length of it, and I'm actually planning to purchase all the other colors. Next thing I got is a skirt that I've wanted for a while now. It's like a suit inspired skirt. It looks like someone like kind of made a skirt out of a suit and they took the sleeves to make like a tie wrap skirt. So this one is out of stock, however you can find other models on it. I'm gonna be linking another model similar to it. It fits well, however it comes with these like very uncomfortable shorts. I am probably gonna cut them out because it's just like it's not very comfortable when you wear it, and I just really like the style of it. It has like this like asymmetrical cut. So the next piece we have is a matching set, and I was debating to get it. It is this really plain white top with a very wide neckline with some wide sleeves. It has a very baggy fit to it. I thought it was a skirt, but it's actually shorts, which I don't really mind. When you wear it, it looks like a skirt, and it's just, it has like an elastic band. It has pockets, which I really like. Most of the time I tuck the shirt inside the skirt to give it more of a stylish look, because if you wear it just like that, it almost looks like you're wearing PJs. It is actually extremely see-through, so just like make sure you wear something under because it is see-through. Last piece of clothing I got is this matching corduroy set. It is so cute. Scrolling on my Instagram feed and I stumbled upon this brand called My Mom Made It, and I think they were the original designers of set, and I think this is like a copy. I have to say that I didn't know. It fits very nice. It has like a loose fit, but once you put the skirt on, it like kind of cinches your waist. It is something that you can like throw on very quickly if you're late or something, and it is very comfortable. This one also came in beige, and from what I saw it has no reviews. However, the one I got is out of stock, but I will be linking another one. So I'm done talking about clothes, but I'm just gonna jump quickly into accessories and shoes. This is my first time ever purchasing like footwear from YESSTYLE, and I was kind of like iffy about it because I don't really know my size. I got size 37 just to be sure, and unfortunately these cute furry slides are a bit too big for me. But yeah, so accessories. I'm very excited because I kind of forgot that I ordered all of these. They're just like so small and not expensive on YESSTYLE. So I also got these cute little butterfly earrings from YESSTYLE, and this however has 107 reviews already on it, and this has almost 5 stars, and I definitely get why. They're just so cute. Then I got this ring. I've been looking for a ring like this for a while. It is this little moon with a star. It comes with another thin ring with it, and I'll be honest, I was so surprised of the quality. Like it looks so shiny and clean. No one would honestly believe that I purchased this for only $4. Like, it is so cute and pretty. I just can't wait to wear this around. So last but not least, I got this little cuff earring. I've always wanted my conch to get pierced. However, I have Asian parents and they don't like, if I get one, they're gonna kill me. So that's why I got a fake one, and I think it pretty much works like almost exactly the same. I wouldn't wear them together because it would just be too much, but if I lose one, I always have the second one. So I'm super happy about that. Alright, so that's it for my YESSTYLE haul. I hope you guys liked it. I think I have a discount code. I will be leaving it right here for you guys if you want to use it. One thing I like about YESSTYLE is that you only have to spend about $50 to get free shipping, and it is pretty easy to spend $50 on YESSTYLE because they have just like so many things. If you guys enjoyed this little YESSTYLE haul, make sure to give this video a little heart, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram at kelly.png if you want to see how I style these pieces. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!